start your cast on, you begin with a slip knot. You have the tail end of your yarn here. Make a circle with the working yarn. Put it back over the strand like this. This strand is the one that you pick up to make the slip knot. You know you've made the slip knot properly if you can pull on both ends and it disappears. So make your slip knot, pull this up, and you're going to place this on your needle like this. You need the tail part to be the closest one to you here. This is the working yarn. Now to start your cast on, you're going to grab these strands like this and put your index finger and your thumb, spread them out like that. You can see where this has crossed. You put your needle up through that loop here. Grab that strand that's right here on your index finger with the tip of your needle. Pull it through the loop that's on your thumb. You allow your thumb to escape, and you tighten that down. So there is the first one that you've cast on. Your slip knot counts as your first stitch, but this is the first one that you've actually cast on. To cast on another one, you bring this down so that they cross at your thumb. Put your needle up through that loop. Put the tip of the needle around that strand on your index finger and draw it through. Let the loop slip off your thumb and then tighten it by opening up your thumb and your index finger like that. And you continue to do this, casting on the amount of stitches you need.